Okay, hi guys, welcome to the first session about the Power BI for actuaries. In this session, I'm going to discuss a little bit about the overview of the Power BI and technically then we will jump on to how to install the Power BI and how does this course looks like. So let's begin. So first of all, what I will do, I will open this Word document. So let's take a look. What exactly is Power BI? So Power BI is a self-service business intelligence platform which includes both desktop and the web-based application for now these are the three focused words for connecting the data, for modeling the data and for visualizing the data. So these are the three major pillars of Power BI and we are going to touch upon all these three in a lot of detail and then followed by one project. Then the point is that why Power BI? I mean, I can just use Excel and just create my charts and that's it. So why Power BI? So the major and the most important point is the first one, that is to load and do the manipulations on a millions of rows of data. If you try to do this on your Excel, then your Excel is going to crash, highly likely. Then the next point is that within the Power BI, you can connect to a lot of different tables by building the relations between those specific tables. Whereas if you try to do that in your Excel, then the file again will get very heavy and then ultimately it will crash. The next point is that it helps us in performing the complex calculation. What exactly is DAX? That is something we will cover in our upcoming sessions. Bring data to life to create the interactive reports and dashboards that will ultimately be used by your clients or the senior management in the firm. And ultimately that it is a very versatile and in-demand skill set, especially for actuaries as well. All right. And the last point, what exactly is the similarity or differences between the Excel and the Power BI? Both Excel and Power BI contains the option for the Power Query. Both will have a data model and DAX. Now, what exactly these three are, we have covered in our upcoming sessions in a lot of detail. How Power BI is separated from the Excel is based on the report view. Ultimately, this is where we are going to create our visualizations and how we create the interactive dashboards. So these are the two major aspects from an actuarial perspective that I can say. So now let's quickly jump on and these are the download steps. All you have to do is just click on this link and it will open this window for you. Then select your language. Okay, so we are here, we are going to select English and then you have to click on download. So when you click on download, there are two options in front of you. So you have to select the first one. So all you have to do is just click on this button and then click on download. So when this download will get completed, all you have to do is just click on that application and install it and your application will get installed. All right. So that is what I majorly wanted to cover in this video. Now, how does our upcoming session looks like? All you have to do is when you buy that course, so let's take a look how what are the things we have covered in our Power BI for actuary course. So let's open this. So this is what we are doing right now, installation and introduction to Power BI. Then we are starting with the Power Query in a lot of detail. And you know what? The best part about the Power BI course is that you don't have to learn the Power Query separately. And believe me, if you are an actuary and if you know Power Query, believe me, you are very competitive in nature and you are going to get a lot of projects and will be highly valued by your company. So we will be covering in a lot of detail how does Power BI interface looks like, then the basics of transformation, the advanced transformation, then what is the use of the SQL or the web based to get your data as well. So it is very amazing. Followed by that, we are going to cover the DAX with the Power BI in a lot of depth, and that is what matters. Like not only just the DAX, we are going to cover the visualization within that as well. So these two are majorly related to that. So we are covering the connecting part, we are covering the modeling part, and we are modeling over here as well as the visualization, and then ultimately followed by the actuarial project where we are creating the insurance analysis. So it is going to be the complete full package of Power BI for actuaries. So with this, thank you so much, and I will look you in our upcoming sessions. If you haven't buy the course yet, click over here and buy the course. And when you bought the course, all you have to do is just click on your dashboard. Then over here you get the community section, and whichever course that you have bought, so that specific course will be visible over there. For example, over here I can see that the Python course is bought by this user. So when you click over here, you can basically interact in questions and answers over there, and I will be answering all your queries in a lot of depth. So keep on asking as many questions, keep on learning, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers, KS.